How to get rough amber in Lego Fortnite. Locating rough amber in Lego Fortnite. Explore the dry valley biome, resembling a desert, with rocky crags and cliffs. No specific method to locate biomes, so explore until you find the dry valley mesa. Rough amber is found at the top of cliffs in the dry valley mesa. Building stairs to collect rough amber. Bring piles of wood to construct stairs to reach the cliffs. Dry valley mesa is distinctive with a brown desert landscape. Mining rough amber requires uncommon pickaxes or better. Common brown pickaxe is ineffective. Gather rough amber to upgrade the village square. Creating cut amber. Use a gem cutter to convert rough amber into cut amber. Build a gem cutter with 20 marble slabs, 5 rough amber, 5 sand claws, and 3 sand shells. Feed rough amber into the gem cutter at a 1:1 rate to obtain cut amber. Upgrading village and crafting rare axes. Utilize cut amber to upgrade the village square. Craft rare axes using cut amber. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.